Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about division of polynomials. This maths is intended to the grade 7 students. So I have here the dividend is in polynomials, and then I have the divisor, which is binomial. So I need to write in the division method. This will be 15x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 21x squared plus 10x. And then my divisor is 5x squared plus 2x. So take note that in arranging the terms, it must be descending power. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Same with the divisor. So first thing to do is I need to divide the dividend by the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So this will be 15x to the fourth is divided by 5x squared. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then x to the fourth divided by x squared, that will be x squared. So this will be, my first quotient is 3x squared. Then I need to multiply to the divisor. So this will be 15 x to the fourth, then plus 6x cubed. Okay? Note that in dividing, we need to change the product, the sign of the product. So this will be cross out. 4x cubed minus 6x cubed, that will be negative. So this will be the same sign or similar sign. 4 and then 6 will be added. So this will be 10x cubed. So the sign is negative. Then bring down plus 21x squared. Since the first term is having a negative sign, so therefore the quotient must have negative sign. Then the same procedure what I did in the first. So 10x cubed divide by the first term of my divisor. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. X cubed divided by x squared is x. So this will be 2x. And then multiply to the divisor. So 2x times 5x squared, that will be negative 10x cubed. Then minus 2x times 2x, that will be negative 4x squared. Again, change the sign. So this will be crossed out. Positive, positive. So this will be 25x squared. Then bring down plus 10x. Okay, so since the first term of the new dividend is positive, or this is addition, so it should be positive in here. So again, 25x squared divided by 5x squared. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. X squared will be crossed out. So this will be 5. And then multiply to the divisor. This will be 25x squared plus 10x. Again, I need to change the sign of the product. So this will be crossed out. So no remainder at all. So my answer is 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. And that's all.